NCERT Exemplar Solutions, Class 10, Maths, Chapter 7, Exercise 7.2, Question 11. The point P minus 2, 4 lies on a circle of radius 6 and center C 3, 5. We have to check whether this statement is true or false. Let us find the answer. We are given point P on the circle minus 2, 4 and radius of the circle 6, center of the circle C 3, 5. The approach to solve this problem is, if point P lies on the circle, we have to check if the distance from P to center of the circle is equal to radius of the circle. Let us take the circle with center C, radius 6, and a point P lies on the circle. And to check if the distance from P to center of circle is equal to radius of circle, we find the distance PC and check if it is equal to radius. First, let us find the distance PC, distance from point on the circle to center of the circle. Let us consider P as x1, y1, center of the circle as x2, y2. And what is the formula to find the distance between these 2 points? Root over x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Let us substitute the points P and C in the distance formula. PC is equal to root over x2 is 3 minus x1 is minus 2 whole square plus y2 is 5 minus y1 is 4 whole square. 3 minus of minus 2 is 5 square plus 5 minus 4 is 1 square. 25 plus 1 is 26. PC is equal to root over 26. And the distance PC, which is root over 26, is not equal to radius of the circle 6 units. Therefore, we can say that P does not lie on the given circle. And the condition that we are checking, PC is equal to 6, does not hold. Therefore, the given statement is false. The point P does not lie on the circle of radius 6 and center C 3, 5. The answer is false.